Get ready with me as I packed ahead to Pittsburgh to watch the brilliant lawyers at the Women's Law Project argue that Pennsylvania's ban on Medicaid coverage of abortion violates our rights and harms vulnerable Pennsylvanians. We'll be a courtroom, so I'm going to wear a jacket and a button up shirt. I don't really see a need for a tie, so I think that will be good. And I have a couple more days there, and I know that Pittsburgh loves women's soccer, so I'm going to wear my U.S. women's national team jersey and a pair of jeans the other day I'm there. As it stands, Medicaid cannot be used for abortion, despite abortion being essential health care and a human right. There are some exceptions to this rule, but for the vast majority of abortions, patients have to pay out of pocket for their health care. And of course, this disproportionately affects lower income Pennsylvanians. I'm going to be doing some work when I'm not in court, answering phone calls, things like that. So I got to make sure I've got my backpack, my headphones, and my laptop. Got all the stickers too. Show them off a little bit. That's my favorite one. Last year, the PA Supreme Court declared PA's Medicaid ban of abortion coverage presumptively unconstitutional, which is a really and significant and important step. But Pennsylvania law still enforces this state Medicaid ban. So that's why Women's Law Project is back in court defending our right to abortion health care, because abortion should be safe and legal, like the PIN says. And that's why we at Planned Parenthood are going to be in the courtroom politely cheering them on. Bans on a Medicaid abortion coverage force 1 in 4 poor women to carry an unwanted pregnancy to term. It's going to be cold in Pittsburgh. It's always a little windy, so gotta make sure I have the face moisturizer, the Aquaphor, etc. And making sure I have the right hat. We've got to end this discriminatory policy in PA. State rights and access to health care should not be reserved for the rich. So we're really thankful for our friends at the Women's Law Project. And we'll be in Pittsburgh. I'm not going to rub it in if the Eagles are in the Super Bowl, but I'm going to wear some little Kelly green in the shoes. And we're also really happy that Governor Shapiro filed to defend access to reproductive care in this case. And we hope you'll watch the live stream on February 5th at 9:30 and follow Women's Law.